Hello everyone and welcome to another video where I'm going to discuss the answers of for course challenge of first course of Google Data Analytics. So this is a scenario based question where you will get first question as scenario 1 and there will be 5 questions following the this question only. So you'll have to read this carefully that what are the things mentioned over here. I'm not going to discuss much about it, but as you can see, you know what a spreadsheet you know that spreadsheet work well for processing and analyzing a small data set like one you are using to get the data from the database in a spreadsheet. You should do download the data as .csv since it is a comma separated file, so it will be easy to work in a spreadsheet in csv. So download it as in csv and you can work on it. Second is it is a continued for the first question. Now it's time to process the data. As you know, this step involves finding and eliminating errors and inaccuracies that can get in the way of your result. While cleaning the data, you notice there is a missing data in a row 16, which might affect your problem. So what will you do to fix it? So you can ask your colleague or team how they have handled this kind of issue in the past. Since you are a beginner in data analysis field, so you can take the opinion of other data analyst or ask your supervisor for guidance. So these are the correct answer for the second question. Third question is, during analysis, you create a new column F. At the top of the column, you add the attribute average percent of total sales. Select the correct definition for an attribute. So it is a characteristic or quality of data used to label a column. So basically like we have a student database, so we'll have name, age, email ID. So these are the characteristics of a student. So in the same way we have decided that on the basis of the data. Now you determine the average total daily sales over the past 12 months at all the stores. The range that continues these sales is E2 colon E39. To do this, you use a function. To complete the function correctly, you will use equal to average, then you will use the range and it will give the average for that range. That is the correct answer. Now you have reached the share page of your data analysis process. It involves creating a data visualization to highlight the splastic sales insights you have discovered. So it is true that we will have to visualize some things, so it will be easy for the end users to understand what you have analyzed. The second scenario based question consists of 6 to 9. So the sixth question is, the table is dental data table and the column name is zip code. You have written the following query but received an error when it ran. What is the clause that will correct this query? So try it and I'll give you the answer. That is zip code, where zip code equal to 81137. Since the table name is dental data table, so it cannot be used in where clause. Second one is, which aspect of a patient's demographics might get in the way of fairness? The data set include people who all live in the same zip code. So if some kind of illness is going around that zip code, that might affect the analysis. So it is better to have a wider perspective. We have the eighth question as, changing the business task involved defining a new question or problem to be solved. So this is the answer. Ninth one is, the people who are familiar with the problem and help verify the result of data analysis include customer or competitors. That is false, because the subject matter experts look at the results and data analysis to identify an inconsistency. Tenth one is, and the final one is, for this a pie chart will work most effective. No, it will not work, since a pie chart is used to represent a proportion of certain data categories. A line chart would be effective for tracking trend over time. So this is the answer for this course challenge, and I hope you have liked the video, and please do subscribe to this channel. I'll upload many more videos like this in the future. Thank you.